What's going on this morning, family? Just waking up, moving around this morning, man. It's kind of cool out here in Phoenix this morning. Feel like it's probably like 60, 59 or something. I don't know. It's cool out here. I got me a little sweater on. But I was coming to you, man, this morning because I was thinking about life and about what is it all about. You know, everybody got their different meanings for it, you know, but how do you view it as far as being able to be stable, being able to travel, being able to just enjoy life and have a smile and just be happy about what you're doing, you know, the simple things. Those are the things that we have to embrace to find our peace.